Dear students, today we are going to learn about the property of cube root of a unity. According to the first property, the sum of the cube root of a unity is 0. Earlier we have found the cube root, the three cube root. One was the real root, another two were the complex roots of the cube root of a unity. So now we are talking about the sum of the cube root of a unity is 0. Now what were the roots? 1, omega and omega square. That is supposed to be equal to 0, and we have also found if we take omega as minus 1 plus iota cube root divide by 2, so omega square was equal to minus 1, only the difference was here, it was plus, here is minus iota cube root by 2. Now we will insert its value in this equation. 1 into omega, which is minus 1 plus iota, into the sum. Here was the sum, we have to do the addition here. Divide by 2 plus, okay, 1 plus this plus the omega square value was minus 1 minus iota cube root divide by 2. When we take the LCM of this, so according to the LCM, we will have 2 as the LCM. For all there is nothing means 1. So 2. 1 2s are 2. So 2 will come here. Minus, because it has the same denominator. So as it is, we will write these 2. And plus minus minus 1 minus iota cube root. Now these are the two different terms, will be plus, and this is with negative sign, we will cancel it off, and we got 2 in the numerator minus 2 divide by 2. 2 minus 2 is again 0. 0 by 2 equals to 0. So hence proved, you can see that the sum we have taken, the left hand side we have calculated and reached towards the conclusion where on the right side we were supposed to get it equal to 0, and that is it. So in the next property, the product of the cube root of a unity should be equal to 1. Here we go. So this is the property number 2, that the product of the cube root of a unity should be equal to 1. Like we should multiply this, and that should be like, you know, that omega is the same. Omega with nothing power means power will be 1, and here is omega square. 1 multiply or not, it's the same thing. So bases are same, power is gonna add it, so omega cube. That's why you can see here in this expression omega cube also. So omega cube equal to 1. Let's try to prove it. So if omega, already we said that omega is minus 1 plus iota cube root by 2, and omega square is equal to minus 1, the difference is here, minus iota with cube root and divide by 2. Now we will insert those values into this given equation. So that is 1 into omega square, that should be equal to 1. And when we put it there, 1 into omega is minus 1 plus iota with cube root divide by 2, multiplying it with omega square, its value is minus 1 minus iota cube root divide by 2. There is nothing, so 1 is already there. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. In the denominator we got it 4, and 1 multiply or not, it's just the same thing. So minus 1 plus iota with cube root multiplying with minus 1 minus iota with cube root. So this is the situation as I earlier discussed. A minus b when multiply with the same thing differ by this positive and negative signs. So their product is a square b square in between negative signs. Same is the case here, both are just the same, minus 1 iota cube root, but it is plus here, here is minus. So we will write both square, minus 1 also square and iota cube root also square, separated by a negative sign, divide by 4. So when we simplify, minus minus plus 1 and minus, this is iota square inside, This square is for both iota square, and this is 3 square with square root power 1 by 2. Okay, divide by 4. So we got here 1. Iota square means it is minus 1 minus minus plus, and these two will cancel. 3 ones are 3, divide by 4. So 3 plus 1 again 4, 4 divide by 4. So cancelling 4 ones are 4. 1 over 1 means 1, which is equal to the right hand side of this equation, which is proved. Now the last but not the least is the property in which we say each complex root of the cube root of a unity is the reciprocal to the others, like omega and omega square were the two complex cube roots. Okay, so both are reciprocal. Omega, so 1 over omega square, and omega square with 1 over omega. So now when we take, there are two parts of it. We will take by the second property, in which we say 1 into omega square equal to 1. So we can write, there is no need of writing 1. So omega into omega square is equal to 1. And when we take the omega over there, as it was multiplying, so on the other side it will divide. So this proves what we claim here. And if the same is the case, omega, when omega square multiplying 1, omega remains on the same place. When omega square go to the other side, as it was multiplying, will divide here. So we can conclude that each complex cube root of a unity is reciprocal to the other. Hope you understood the question, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video.